Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 10 part B of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, the variables x, y, and z are used in a program. X stores a whole number, y stores a decimal number, and z stores a flag that can be set to true or false. The function same a, b returns true if the value of a is the same as the value of b when b is rounded to the nearest whole number and false otherwise. Write pseudocode statements to define the function. Call the function with x and y and store the return value in z. This is a bit complex question and tricky in terms of marks too. It has 6 marks and 2 parts. The first part is to define the function, and the second part is to call the function. The main part will be the function definition, which will carry 5 marks, while calling it will be simpler and carry 1 mark. Let's define the function, and while writing the pseudocode, we shall discuss the necessary parts to obtain the maximum marks for our answer. The first mark is for declaring the function with the correct name, which is same. The second mark is for defining the parameters and return value with correct names and data types, as per the question. The question states that the value of a is the same as the value of b when b is rounded to the nearest whole number. This implies a is a whole number and b is a decimal, so ae will be of type integer and b of type real. As the function will be returning true or false, the data type of the return value will be Boolean. 1 mark will be for correct if statement with the condition of comparing value of a with rounded value of b. 1 mark will be for each of the return values, either true or false, from the if-else statement. Then comes the function closing statement, which is optional, as different languages have different ways of closing a function. Now it's time to call our function with the given variable x, y, and return the value in variable z. As x is of integer type, y is of real type, so x will take place of parameter a, and y will take place of parameter b. Finally, function will return a Boolean value, which will be stored in our Boolean variable z. Excellent! We have defined the function and successfully called it with the available values. So we have answered our question. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you with the next question. Have a nice day.